here we have, guys, 5 videos, 4K videos in the timeline. Alright, and it's lagging a lot. And in this video, I'm gonna show you hands down the best way out there to fix lag, playback lag in DaVinci Resolve. I'm gonna show you the trick in 1 minute. So let's jump right into the video. Select all the videos, right click, select here new compound clip, create. Now you see now how much is lagging. Alright, if you play the video, play all these videos for, okay, as you can see, very laggy. Now please right click on the video and select render color output. You will see the magic. Okay guys, so I paused the video because you have to wait a couple of minutes to wait for this line right here to load. And now let's see the magic. Look, now it's not logging at all, and all these 5 videos are 4K. Alright, and we have 24 FPS, no lag, no playback lag at all. So that's the end of this video. If this video helped you, I'll really appreciate if you could subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal. So I really appreciate if you could subscribe for daily tutorials. I really appreciate it. So thank you for watching and take care.